Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here. It's a Portuguese one, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. This is my account, and from my Instagram page you have to go to add yours 2022 at highlights. Don't go into my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So from here, like I said, go to add yours 2022 at highlights. And here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker, just like this. And you can also check my other viral trends if you like. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial also on my channel to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story for the video. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo with you if you like. So I will go ahead and do that. And then from here you can place your sticker where you want, and after that you just have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, and then you have to go to quiz, and here you can type in your options. And once you're happy, you just have to click on the down icon from the right top corner. And you can make this bigger or smaller by using your two fingers, and then you can place it where you want. And after that, you just have to share it with your friends. So yeah guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, you have to go on my Instagram account on Ali and John YTT, and then from my page you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on the add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to a YouTube tutorial which has only 2 or 3 minutes. I think it's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.